Topic 1. Federal Reserve's rate cut influences global markets, including Asia-Pacific and Europe, prompting discussions on refinancing loans. The U.S. Federal Reserve's decision to cut interest rates by 25 basis points has impacted markets in the Asia-Pacific and Europe. This rate cut provides Asian central banks with room for policy easing amid trade pressures and global growth slowdowns. Countries like South Korea, Australia, and India have already lowered rates, with further cuts possible. In contrast, Japan and China are maintaining their rates, with Japan considering a rate hike to meet its inflation target. The global shift in interest rates is also affecting discussions around loan refinancing. Topic 2. FTC's lawsuit against Ticketmaster and Live Nation over alleged illegal ticket resale practices. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and 7 states have filed a lawsuit against Ticketmaster and its parent company, Live Nation, over alleged illegal ticket resale practices. The FTC claims that these companies collaborated with ticket brokers to buy tickets in bulk and resell them at inflated prices, forcing consumers to pay significantly more than the original cost. Additionally, Ticketmaster is accused of misleading consumers and artists by charging prices higher than advertised and failing to enforce ticket purchase limits. This lawsuit, which alleges violations of the BOTS Act enacted during the Trump administration, seeks substantial fines and monetary compensation for consumers, gaining attention particularly due to issues surrounding Taylor Swift's Eras Tour ticket sales and Ticketmaster's market monopoly. Topic 3. Trump and Xi make progress on a TikTok deal, highlighting ongoing tensions between the U.S. and China. President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping announced progress in finalizing a deal for the sale of TikTok's U.S. assets to American investors during a phone call. This deal is the culmination of long-standing efforts initiated during Trump's first term and has been a key element in recent extensive negotiations between the U.S. and China. Trump stated on Truth Social that they made progress on several important issues, including trade and the TikTok deal. Chinese state media reported that Xi expressed respect for business decisions and welcomed negotiations that follow market rules. The negotiations, aimed at maintaining TikTok's operations in the U.S., involved diplomats from both countries. While details of the deal remain undisclosed, it is expected that U.S.-based venture capital, private equity, and tech companies will hold significant stakes, with Chinese investors retaining 20%. The deal's success hinges on resolving concerns over TikTok's algorithm, which China has stated it will not sell as part of the agreement. Topic 4. Nvidia's substantial $5 billion investment in Intel marks a strategic collaboration between former rivals, aiming to advance chip development. Nvidia has made a significant $5 billion investment in Intel, marking the beginning of a strategic collaboration between the two companies. This partnership aims to develop chips for AI data centers and personal computers by combining Nvidia's AI and accelerated computing technologies with Intel's CPU and x86 ecosystem. Following the announcement, Intel's stock surged by 23%, while Nvidia's shares rose by over 3%. This collaboration presents Intel with an opportunity to catch up in the AI race, as they plan to develop next-generation chips that integrate Nvidia's technology with Intel's manufacturing capabilities. Competitors like AMD may face challenges as a result. Nvidia's investment is expected to enhance Intel's manufacturing technology, with jointly developed products connecting Intel's CPUs and Nvidia's AI and graphics chips, potentially increasing the success rate of Intel's 14A manufacturing process. Topic 5. Jimmy Kimmel's suspension from ABC following controversial comments, with Disney urging de-escalation before his return. Jimmy Kimmel's show on ABC has been suspended following